Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alejandro, and in this channel we talk about investing, personal finance, and all things money. In today's video, we're gonna do another Coinbase Earn video, and again, I'm gonna give you guys all the answers, and they're gonna be in the description, so you can check it out there. You don't even have to watch this video. But yeah, let's get into this video.
I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich.
Before we get further into the video, you know I gotta ask for them likes, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss no more videos. I'm gonna try to stay consistent. I know I always say that, but stuff happens in life, your mood changes, and yeah, let's get into this video before we get deeper into my thoughts. Let's go. So the cryptocurrency we're gonna go over today is pronounced Celo, C-E-L-O, but the ticker symbol is CGLD. So if you catch me saying Celo Gold or something like that throughout the video, it's probably because of that GLD. It confused me. So let's get into it. We're gonna go into my phone today, and you are able to do Coinbase Earn through your phone. So if you probably haven't tried it, then now you know. So we're gonna do it through my phone because I'm at work, lunchtime. Gotta grind still. So all right, anyways, let's get to the video. So I'm gonna click right here on my Cryptoverse folder, go to Coinbase, Face ID, and let it load up. Cool. Celo Gold right here, an open platform for digital payments. Let's go right here. It's redirecting me to the Coinbase Earn site now. And yeah, let's see.
Lesson number one.
Lesson number one.
What is the Celo platform? Meet Zoe.
Celo.
She's tech savvy, always connected, and
Celo
gets
platform
everything done
aims
on
to
her
make
mobile phone,
financial tools borderless,
like
easy to
shopping for
use, and
groceries,
accessible
hailing
for
a ride,
anyone with a
or
mobile
catching up
phone.
with friends. If money could be this convenient, accessible, and borderless, what
Crypto
could it do for
accessible
Zoe, her community, and the world?
and on mobile
This
phones.
is Celo's mission.
Give me my $2, bro. Next.
Lesson number two.
Celo,
Celo?
initially listed on Coinbase as CGLD, is the
Celo's
core
native
utility
asset.
reserve,
It's the core utility,
staking,
reserve,
and governance
staking, and governance
asset
asset
for the
Celo
Celo
community.
platform. Everyone who owns Celo.
Gets a say in how the
Oh, see,
platform
she
evolves and
said
grows
the whole
over
thing
time.
for me. I didn't have to read it.
And this is the Celo dollar. The
What are
first
three
stablecoin
things
on the
Celo are
platform.
used for?
Its value tracks the US dollar and is built
So,
for accessibility.
reserve,
and ease of
staking, and
use.
governance.
Celo,
Reserve.
alongside other crypto assets like
Where is it?
BTC and
Reserve.
ETH, serves as a reserve asset for stablecoins like the Celo dollar that run on the Celo
I'll go with this
platform.
one. I got it wrong. You got it wrong. Let's see. Reserve, staking, and governance. It was the first one. But that's the point. So I messed it up. Now you guys get it right. So lesson number 3.
Number 3. What can Celo dollars do? Price volatility can be one of the main obstacles for people like Zoe who are
Anyone with
thinking
a
about
mobile
adopting
phone can send,
cryptocurrencies.
receive, and store
For cryptocurrencies to be
Celo
practical
dollars.
for day-to-day use, users need to know that the value of the crypto they sent is exactly what will be received. Existing stablecoins aim to
What is
solve
it?
these problems, but some can have slow networks,
I have no
usability
idea.
issues, and high barriers to entry for the average user. This is where the Celo platform is different. Built
It's not
specifically
Bitcoin.
with ease of use and accessibility in mind,
It's
Celo
not gonna be a
dollars
wire
allow
transfer.
Zoe to make use of a
Using
stablecoin
an
that is
Ethereum
practical
wallet.
and cost-efficient for many day-to-day use cases,
Ethereum.
and can be accessed.
Damn. What is it? Is it traditional bank wire transfer? Nope. And it's definitely the Valora mobile app. I don't know. They don't want to wait through the whole video, so I rushed through it kinda. Well, there you go. All done, all completed. So let's go back to Coinbase. And let's go to our Bitcoin. Oh no, wait, I don't have the Bitcoin yet. I have to go to the Celo. So I have $6.02 trade, and then now we're going to convert it and convert all. Convert now. Oh wait, damn, I messed up. I totally just messed up. I converted into the wrong coin. So that kind of sucks, because then I wasted some transferring fees or whatever, but let's fix that right now. Where's my portfolio? Oh, ground. And trade and convert. And convert to Bitcoin. Convert all. Convert now. Go to accounts. Good. There. Done. So I'm a little off today, but I still got my free money. So those are the answers. So I didn't know what the Celo coin was, and I still don't know what it is, because we're just coming here for the money. But again, if anybody wants to learn about these coins, links in the description. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for their website. If they have a white paper, you guys can read about them. You guys can see if you invest in that. As you can see, for me, I'm like 99% Bitcoin. I have a little bit of Ethereum and a little bit of Polkadot. But yeah, let's look at Bitcoin for a second before we end this video. And Bitcoin is above 16,000. It's doing pretty good. We'll see how it goes. People are saying it's gonna go to 20,000 pretty soon. That'd be nice. Let's get there. With that being said, thank you for everyone that stuck to the end. Until next time, let's get this money. Peace.